I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by deciding what your CPM clan will do and why: competitive matches, casual nights, or content creation. Once clear, pick your platform: Discord for coordination, the game's clan system for visibility, or both. You must reserve a concise name and tag so branding is consistent. Next, recruit 3-5 reliable players as core members and assign provisional roles. This creates momentum. Make sure to schedule one trial session within 48 hours so you can iterate on rules and fix early problems. Now you formalize how the clan operates. Establish a clear hierarchy with duties for leader, officers, and moderators. This prevents confusion. Write concise rules and a code of conduct so members know boundaries and consequences. Once done, create a recruitment funnel, trial matches, application form, and probation period. Make sure to build practice schedules, role-specific drills, and a progression system to motivate retention. Also set up permissions in your server, so communication channels map to responsibilities and respect privacy. You finalize by launching publicly. Organize a clear event, scrims, open tryouts, or a streamed showcase, and invite community feedback. Promote using targeted posts on game forums, short clips on social media, and cross-events with partner clans. Track metrics like retention percentage, active roster size, and activity rates. Use them to tweak schedules and recruitment. If problems arise, low activity or toxicity, pause recruitment. Run a feedback round, enforce rules, and replace or retrain leaders. That single troubleshooting step restores stability and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.